Hi everybody, today we're going to take a ride in the elevator here at 2851 Camino Del Rio South in San Diego, California. Fob reader's flashing, so it should be open. It looks like it was originally a Dover. Yep, originally a Dover. And the Dover interlock is actually still there. Original interlock. Let's go to 4. Motor sounds like it's been replaced, and it did sink a little bit when we got up there. See, yeah, door equipment's been replaced. Definitely a Dover. Innovation Pinnacle fixtures, I believe. Very common in California. Door close probably works after a certain amount of time. Let's test that theory real quick. I love the way it just stops in the track. Yep, door close works after a certain period of time after the call has been placed. Cab is most likely original. The vents are original for sure, so the cab is most likely original. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it. That was here at 2851 Camino Del Rio South.